Okay, hi guys, welcome to another video. I have my friend over there in the hot tub. Say hi. Hi. Anyways, I got a new box of a new fursuit, and so my friend Red Sews, the maker is Red Sews on Instagram. My last video, people kept asking who the maker was, but I thought I said it, so the maker is Red Sews. Anyways. They are amazing, and they actually have some pre-made suits that are going to be, they have one right now that's actually up for sale. It's beautiful, and I'll put pictures and a few more that you can get for later this year that are in production. But anyways, I found they made what am I even saying? They made a pair of wings and a tail, and I just fell in love with the design. And then they made a design for the head, and was like, if you want this pre-made design, you can make it. You know I had to get it, so so that is who is in this box right now. They are a wall creeper bird, so I named him Wally. And also shout out to my friend Yoli, who has a bird suit too, and I've had bird envy for a bird suit ever since I've seen their suit. Like, it's just like, I don't know. So anyways, further ado, let's open and throw that pillow. I'm gonna move it this way so my address doesn't just pop up. Okay. We be using scissors because why not? I am so excited. Okay, are you ready? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here, oh my god. Look, so here's a little like swatch thing of like all his fur colors. It's so cute. I love how, like, I'm not even looking at the suit yet, and I'm already like just so happy. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh. Little piece of cardboard to put that on. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at the little badge of him. This is a little badge of him. They're on their phone. You want to see it? Look. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. The eyelids. Oh my gosh. So, I'm like actually so happy. You don't even understand, guys. Other eyelids. So he came with 3 pairs of eyelids, which is crazy. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. A little sewing kit that is so sweet. Oh my gosh. These brushes, the iconic dollar store brush for fursuits, essential. Oh my gosh. Look, it's a wall creeper bird, a sticker, and just birds. Oh my gosh. I love stickers, so they're going in my water bottle. And then balaclava. Okay, so now we get into the actual stuff. Oh my gosh, and a letter. It says thank you. I can't get the freaking letter out of the thing. Oh my gosh. So sweet. I don't know why, but I'm like a type of person where I don't share, like I don't read out loud letters when people give it to me. I don't know why. I feel like it's like a little weird to read it out loud, especially to it's a privacy thing. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah. But that was such a sweet letter. Okay. Again, the maker is Red Sews on Instagram, guys. I swear. Please, if I see anyone in the comments be like, who's the maker? Guys, I literally said it like 50 million times. Okay. It's knotted really strongly. Okay. Almost got it. There we go. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. I don't even know. I'm gonna put that back my thing, but look at these wings. Oh my gosh. This is just like, this is literally a work of art. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at these wings. Okay, wait a second. I need to turn the camera around this way. Because
those are cool.
Dude, right? Aren't they cool?
Yes.
Okay, I need to like, there's a whole mechanism to putting these on.
Wow. Those look so cozy.
Dude, they are. Oh my gosh. Oof. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bird. Look at this. And I have thumbs. This is just beautiful. Literally, look at that. Oh my gosh, I see his face. I'm so... Okay, first, feet. They're so big. Oh my gosh. Bird feet. Actually, I want to try them on. I don't have socks on or anything, guys. So just my feet are clean. I just came out of the hot tub. So, look at his tail. So cute. You like his tail?
So soft.
He's so silly. Oh my.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Oh my gosh. Actually, like, look. He's so cute. He's so cute. I actually can't. Oh my gosh. Had to get the thumbnails, guys. Oh, his little tongue. Oh my gosh. Literally, oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, literally, it's him. Oh my gosh. Walter. Oh my god. I'm actually so dead. I wonder what. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I was not expecting that, and that just. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? I'm gonna put him on. Ooh.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm the big.
He's so comfy, and his vision is like clear. Like, I can see literally fucking everything. There's nothing escaping these eyes. Oh my gosh. Literally, they did such an amazing job on this suit. I can't even fucking. Please go. Please go and support them. Literally, what the hell? Oh my gosh. He's so silly. I love him so much. Oh my god. I'm like. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do the full fit.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm the biggest bird. 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 Bigger than that cassowary you're in Australia. They wanna be like me, but they can't.